DoorDash Dasher login, Dasher login. If you want to log in to your DoorDash Dasher account, it's very simple for us to do so. Go ahead and then make sure to launch the DoorDash Dasher application. Once you launch the Dasher app, this is the type of interface that you'll be able to see. By the way, you can also log in on your browser, but if you want to log in on the app, you will see this type of option. Here, it will say sign up to Dash. So if you haven't applied yet, you can tap the sign up button to apply for DoorDash Dasher. Or what you can do is, you can simply go to the login button. Once you go to the login button, this is the interface that you will be able to see. Just wait until this page has been loaded up successfully. After you load up, you'll have to enter your credentials. So make sure to enter your country code and your phone number and tap on continue to verify. But you can also log in with email and password instead. So tap on login with email and password if that's what you want. Then enter the email address associated to your Dasher account, enter your password, then tap the login button to log in. This way you'll be able to log into DoorDash Dasher. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in our next video.